are BTS. And now we're back with the butter. And the inspiration for the song is maybe just the BTS itself. And, you know, it's just a cool summer song. And we're trying to show our charms, how we're attractive, you know, like as an individual and as a team with the material so-called butter. Yeah, so butter for summer.
Butter for summer. I love the sound of that. I think the song is really, really amazing. Do you guys have a favorite lyric in Butter?
Smooth like butter, like criminal undercover. It's just the front line. And I love the Usher line too.
So when are you guys going to be able to announce new tour dates?
Maybe only God knows. But you know, when it feels safe for everyone to go to concert, we'll hop on tour ASAP, literally ASAP.
Congratulations on your partnership with McDonald's and the BTS meal. I mean, that is so cool. So it's available in almost 50 countries starting May 26th.
맥도날드.
Love it.
저희가 연습생 때부터 참 뭔가 많았지 추억이 맥도날드.
I love that. I love McDonald's. When you guys tour in the US, are there any foods that you look forward to having when you're here?
McDonald's. McNugget.
Of course. So, June, you said that you weren't going to dye your hair pink ever again. Why'd you change your mind?
Oh, did I? You know, it's not very bad to accept the changes. You know, people change, everything changes. So, yeah. Change! So I'm changed. Yeah.
How do you guys feel about potentially being this unifying force after the year we've had in this pandemic to get people to dance again?
좀 그런 시기가 좀 빨리 왔으면 좋겠네요. 예, 지금 또 좋아지고 있는 시기니까 좀 희망을 좀 가져보면서 뭔가 활동하겠습니다. 네.
So we're going to play this song that everybody's talking about, Butter, in a couple of seconds here. Do you use a lot of butter in your cooking back home?
Barry
Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
진짜 맛있어요.
간장 계란 butter.
소고기도 버터 튀겨 먹어요.
Yeah, rice butter.
Yeah, it's good for your health. Believe it or not.
버터는 못 참지.
Congrats on being nominated for 4 Billboard Music Awards. I mean, how does it feel to have Dynamite be recognized as one of the biggest songs of the year?
진짜 굉장한 영광이고 특히나 이제 작년에 다이너마이트로 저희도 너무 좋은 기억이 많아가지고 정말 많은 분들이 좋은 에너지를 받으신 것 같아서 너무 감사하고 보답받는 느낌입니다.
Well, congratulations. We love you guys. BTS, thank you so much for coming on SiriusXM. Everybody listen for Butter all day and all night on Hits 1.
Thank you, Hits 1, Tony, Simon. Take care.
Thank you.
Butter, let's go.